Long, long downhill. He's off after deer. Wanting to impale himself on something. Just the right height. My neighbor trims a lot of stuff off like that. Come on, bud. Woo. Snowboard would work beautifully here. I should pack it out next time. Doesn't weigh much. But I have to carry the boots as well. Well, this wouldn't be that bad. Be a fun ride down. I'd probably end up connecting with the tree. Toby, come on, bud. Come on. I know you want to go home with the deer. Come on, now. Let's go. Come. Come. He's like, I think I gotta go back the other way. Yeah, man. Who made me do this? Hey, look at him go. I was just breaking you up. I love dogs.